Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can download Facebook on your laptop or on your PC. Now on laptop or your PC, let's just go from the desktop here and you want to click on the search bar here. And then from here, you just want to search for Microsoft Store. Microsoft Store, so something like this. Now on the Microsoft Store, you want to go to the search bar up here and then let's search up Facebook. Facebook. And then once here, you'll see that there's Facebook, the app right here. Let's click on it. Let's click on Get. And then it'll install on our laptop and or PC. Let's just wait for it to load or install and download. Once it's installed, you'll see that the button will change to open. So let's just click on open. You'll see we have a Facebook program running on our laptop and PC. You can log in here. You can create a new account like this. It all works. This is basically just Facebook on your PC and or laptop. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.